Hey there, this is OneManOneCamera. Just a quick update on the Resorts World Las Vegas. The Genting group has released a statement saying they expect it to open in the summer of 2021. Let's hope they hit their numbers. They also released a statement saying Resorts World Las Vegas will combine traditional and modern architecture, weaving a new luxury hotel experience into the fabric of Las Vegas with Asian-inspired touches, progressive technology, and world-class guest service. The buzzword in here is Asian-inspired touches. They have moved away from the Asian-themed casino, which had the panda, the Forbidden City, little bridges, look pretty nice and very, very, outstanding is the best word that springs to mind right now. But that idea is gone. And I guess I scaled back because they felt that maybe having an Asian-themed casino was not, maybe they thought it was not the right time nor the right place to have an Asian-themed casino. And so that has been tossed out, and now it'll just be Asian-inspired. Okay, all right, here we go. Now, let's talk numbers. The two hotel towers will offer a combined 3,500 rooms, including luxury suites, villas, penthouses, open balconies, and even a sky casino. Scott Sibila, president of Resorts World Las Vegas, says the goal is to redefine the luxury hotel standard in Las Vegas. That, my friends, will be a tough nut to crack. Some things the casino complex will have. They'll have a pool complex of 220,000 square feet, which includes an 1,800 square foot infinity pool. Now, I checked, and the infinity pool at the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, that comes in at 15,000 square feet. Now, I'm not sure how big of a draw the infinity pool will be, but it is a welcome addition, and they are nice to chill out in. From what I've heard, I never tried one myself. Okay, now here's some other numbers of interest. The casino will be 110,000 square feet. So, well, how big is that? Well, let's compare it. MGM is 153,000 square feet. The Wynn comes in at 116,000 square feet. Now, the closest that I found of a casino the same size as Resorts World will be the Westgate, which comes in at 111,000 square feet. So that's as close as we're going to get. Now, there'll also be other things. There'll be a 5,000 seat theater, 70,000 square feet of retail space, 350,000 square feet of meeting and banquet space, 200,000 square feet of restaurants and bars, 20,000 square foot world-class spa, 14,000 square foot race and sportsbook and live entertainment venue, should be nice, a 10,000 square foot marquee, and a 50-foot diameter video globe. Now hang on to your hat. They'll also have a 100,000 square foot LED screen on the West Tower, making it one of the largest LED screens in the country. And the East Tower will also have a 19,000 square foot display. Now, 100,000 square feet. How big is that? That is bigger than a football field, including both end zones. A football field, including both end zone, comes in at 57,600 square feet, and compared to 100,000 square feet, you can see that's a huge, huge difference. Now, what I wonder, this is where my technology knowledge falls off. This gigantic LED screen will be on the West Tower, covering the windows. Okay, now if you're staying in a room, will those LED, whatever screen, squares, whatever they are, will that hinder your view out of the window? Additionally, will the light from those LED screens, will they bleed over onto the East Tower, somewhat, damaging people's view at night, or too much light spill over, which will not cause the room to be dark enough unless they have blackout curtains. All right, you guys, that was just a very quick update on the Resorts World Las Vegas. Just wanted to get out there. Don't forget, it opens up it's scheduled to open up in the summer of 2021. Once again, thanks for joining us. I hope you all have a great day wherever you are. And like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. And that's it. That was very short. Thank you and good day.